The next commands are copy and move and delete. So what are these commands, guys? So copy, move and delete commands. So copy, move and remove. So remove command. What these are? What these commands? Copy command. Copy is nothing but to copy the file, to copy the file from one location to another location, or we can copy the file with a new name. We can copy the directory from one location to another location, or we want to copy same data with the another new name, so we can use it. So in the copy command, the original file or original folder will not, original directory will not change. In the move command, so the move command will execute, move the rename the file, hide the file and move the file. Yeah. So what are the commands, guys? Copy. What is the command? Copy. CP. What is the command? Move. Move command. MV. What is the command? Remove. What is the command, guys? RM. What is the copy? Copy is nothing but to copy the file or directory from one location to another location, a file or directory, and copy the data with different name, copy the data with the same copy the data with same name, right? Move command. So move command can be, so it will execute three ways. So one is for rename the file or directory, or second one is hide and unhide, hide and unhide file or directory, and third one is rename, move the file and directory from one location to another location. Okay. So remove. So remove is nothing but to remove or delete the file or directory. File or directory. So in the copy, right? So copy. So if you want to copy the directory, we need to use the -r command, -r option, -r option. -r is nothing but recursively. -r is nothing but recursively. Guys, understood? Yeah, I will show you that. ls, so bluejtext.txt, copy bluejtext.txt to bluej.txt. The content of the file will be copy from one file to another file, but with a new name, right? Cat bluej.txt. See the same content, bluej tech.txt, the same content, the copied with the same content. If you use the copy command, so the original file will not delete, the original file will not rename, the original will not delete or rename or rename. It will be available. Just we copied the data, I copied the data and created a new file, something like a copy bluej tech./tmp. I'm copying this file bluejtalk.txt to temp with the same name, bluejtech.txt. The original file cannot move. The original file will be there. So I copied the data. I copied the file from here to temp directory. Here to temp directory. You see? So bluejtech.txt is there. Okay. It copied. I want to copy the files. These are the options, guys. Yeah. So -r. If you want to, so here you see. So copy source and destination. What is the syntax? Copy source and destination. Copy option source and destination. What are the options? -r recursive to copy a directory. If you want to copy a directory, we need to use the -r. V is nothing but a verbose to see the output. -p is nothing but a properties. Don't alter the properties. Properties is nothing but a permissions. Properties is nothing but a permissions. If you want to copy the directory, definitely we need to use the -r option. -r option. Okay. ls copy /tempo. I want to copy the directory, right? /tempo opt. I'm copying /tempo directory to opt directory. cd/tempo directory. Yeah, tempo directory is not moved. The tempo directory is there, but we copied this directory to which directory? opt directory. Yes, tempo directory is there in the opt directory. rm-rf tmp. We'll show you guys. No worries. Okay. So the tempo directory is copied from there to there. Okay. With the new name also. So cp-r/temp/opt and BlueJ Tech. Okay. CD OPT. Yeah, it's created a BlueJ Tech CD BlueJ Tech. Right. The data is copied with a new folder name, but the content of the file. What are the content? What are the files and folders are there in the temp? The files and folders will be copied into the BlueJ Tech. Okay. rm-rf. I will delete later. Okay, it's copied. Now move command is nothing but a rename the file ls. I'm renaming the batch 50 to AWS batch. Okay, move batch 50 to batch AWS DevOps batch. Yeah, the original directory will be renamed. I want to rename the hari.txt to something like new hari.txt. Okay, move hari.txt to new hari.txt. So if you use the move command, it will rename the original file. It will rename the original file. So move command will be rename the file or directory, hide and unhide the file or directory, move the file or directory. Okay, so rename is done, a file or directory. I want to move this move bluejtech.txt to /opt. You see, bluej.txt is not there because of it moved from /root to /opt. cd opt. Yes, now text.txt is moved from /root to /opt. Okay, again. So I want to move this directory also, AWS DevOps 50 to /temp, for example. Right, AWS DevOps batch 50 is not there in here. So it moved directly cd/temp. Yes, it moved to some other directory. It moved to some other directory. You see AWS DevOps batch. Okay. Hide and unhide. Let's see. What are the directories are there? I'm in the VWD. I'm in the root ls mkdir bluej. Okay. Yeah. We have a directory. We have a file. So we want to hide and unhide. Right. So hide. How you can hide the file? Move command. New hari.txt. In the destination before you need to provide the dot. New hari.txt. Yeah, ls. So the file is in the hidden mode. The file is in the hidden mode. How you can see it in the hidden files. So the command is ls-la. ls-la is nothing but to see the hidden files. La means hiding files. So what are the hidden files? Hidden the dot new hurry.txt. New hurry.txt. I want to unhide this file. How you can do it? Move. So before source, we need to provide the dot new hurry.txt before the source. Now let's see ls. Yeah, it's moved from unhide to hide, hide to unhide, unhide to move directory. So right, move bluejay bluejay. Let's see ls. Yeah, the directory is moved to hidden. So I want to unhide this. Move dot bluejay. Yeah, it's coming from unhide. Guys, now you understood? So move command will execute three types. One is rename the file and move the file and hide and unhide the file. Next one is remove. What is the command, guys? Remove command to remove the, what is that, guys? A remove command. It is for removing the file or directory, rm file name. So rm file name, rm -file -f. What is -f? Forceful remove. It will forcefully removed. rm-r directory. R is nothing but if you want to delete the directory or if you want to copy the directory, we need to use the recursive mode. Okay. You want to delete multiple rm-rf, recursive and forcefully. If you want to remove multiple directories, rm-rf, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. Yeah. Now you understood? So Ramakrishna. So now you understood you want to delete the multiple directories at a time. You want to delete the one directory at a time. You can use that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So where I am, PWD, present working directory. Where I am in the root directory, ls. So bluejay. So I want to delete the new re.txt. You see, if I use the rm, just rm, it is asking yes or no. It is asking yes or no. If you press no, it will not delete. So new txt.ts there. rm f. F is nothing but a forcefully means without asking yes. Without asking yes, it will delete automatically. Is it asked yes? No. It is directly deleting, right? Yes, ls. rm. So rm f. I want to delete the directory rm r. F is nothing but a forcefully. Bluejay. Right? It deleted. Ls. rm r, just bluejay, it will delete. I want to delete everything. cd/temp. What is this, guys? cd/temp. You see, ls. So AWS DevOps batch 50. I want to delete AWS DevOps batch rm-r definitely, and because of that is a file, that is a directory. Copying and deleting purpose, we need to use the r. AWS DevOps batch 50 and bluejay txt and hurry.txt. So -f, right? No. Yeah. So it is asking. I don't want to ask yes or no. You can use -f. F, right? So yeah, nothing is there. Nothing is there. So mkdir systemd private. We need this one. rm-rf star. Star means it will delete everything. Yeah, nothing is there. mkdir day hyphen dub open braces 1 dot something like 30. Okay. So how many directories created? So week rm-rf day hyphen 1 star. So it deleted, it deleted 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9, right? So deleted. So right, you want to delete 20 21 22 23 24, you can use 20 dot star. Okay, week, I will show you. Week, how many weeks it created? 30 weeks it created, right? rm hyphen rf week hyphen star, it will delete everything. You see, deleted. So whatever the weeks, right, it will deleted everything. So you want to delete everything, right? rm hyphen rf star. Understood, guys? Understood? So these are the commands for deleting and removing, copying, and text processing tools. Guys, now you understood?